Hello, this is Revolution Data Systems. I'm going to show you how to use annotations on documents in ApplicationXtender Web Access. To begin, display whichever document you wish to add annotations to, and then select the annotation type from the toolbar. We will start with arrows. In order to add an arrow, you first click to start the arrow's beginning point. As I drag the mouse, as you can see, it forms an arrow, and I can drag and then point it at whatever I wish and release. That annotation has been added, but if I leave this document, it will be erased, so I need to save the changes. Once I've done so, I can leave that document, display it again, and I will find my annotation is still there. Let's take a look at another type of annotation. We'll try text. The text box is added by clicking where you want the upper left corner of that text box to appear. Once I have the Add Text Annotation dialog on screen, I simply type whichever text I wish to add. I can change any of the aspects of this text with some of the options here, and then click OK. Another tool from the annotation toolbar is the arrow, which allows you to select existing annotations. If I select an existing annotation, I can move it to different places. I can change its properties or delete it altogether.